Welcome back to a review of the month. This month's review, we've got Burger King's, I think, renewed. I think it used to be a thing. They have a crispy chicken wrap. This is like the Royal Spicy, I think. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it's like a spicy chicken wrap. It's got tenders, some sauce, some lettuce. No cheese, apparently. I would have expected cheese, but alright. And then I've also got a Hershey pie from Burger King. I guess. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Interesting. I'm gonna second bite. Alright. Let me start off by saying it's pretty cheap. It's like $3, which, I mean, it's a lot for a wrap, but I mean, the chicken, kind of flavorless. All the flavor I'm getting is kind of just like unseasoned chicken and a bunch of hot sauce. I don't know quite what type of hot sauce. Kind of close to Tabasco, a little different. But it's not great. Not bad. But I don't know if I would ever want to eat it again. I think this is a try once and never again. Not quite sure why they brought this back. I'll be giving the crispy chicken wrap 2.8 out of 5. Now, a Hershey's pie. Just pull here. Opens up from the side. Both sides have to be looks good. Smells great. How do I get this out? They didn't give me a fork or anything. So I figured it would be able to be eaten with your hands, but I don't see a real way to do that. Might just have to get messy. Just picking it up. It looks good. Let's get a top down. Alright. Interesting. I'll get a second bite. Very messy. Very, very messy. It tastes good. Interesting texture. It kind of just dies in your mouth. Very crumbly. A lot of like cream stuff. No real texture contrast. But I mean, tastes good. The texture's not bad. It's just all the same thing. I think Hershey pie 3.8, the chicken wrap at 2.8.